Hi everybody, it's Jenny from JD's Rockin' Readers, and I'm going to do a little tutorial of how you can use the centered rotations in your classroom. So there's actually 33 different choices. This one is a group, 4 groups of students for 4 days, 3 rotations, and the rotations are 15 minutes each. There are directions, and that's basically what I'm going to be showing you here. Here's a sample of what a rotation board could look like. And then on slides 4, 5, and 6, these are all of the center cards that are included in this product. What you'll do is you'll be using these cards to copy and paste your rotation. So you're going to have a day 1. I like to show the entire board to the students before they start their rotation so they have an idea of where they're going to be going to that day. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to come up here and I'm going to grab the cards that I want. I'm just simply holding the shift key to get several cards at one time, and then I'm going to command copy, and then I'm going to paste my centers into the board. Now from here I can line them up, I can put them wherever I want them. Just to do this quickly, I'm just going to put them in like this. I don't usually put the names of the groups up here for this slide because they know what group they're in because it doesn't really change. Okay, so there's going to be the whole board. I'm not going to do the last ones just for time's sake. So the next slide is round 1. Here's going to be your group, so you would just type in the student names and you would have your 4 different groups. So you type in their names, and then you can come back up to your board and you would select the first rotation that they would go to. So I can hold the shift key to grab several at one time, and then I just do command and paste, and then it shows the students what they're going to go to first. Now this is an automatic rotation board. So I have this one set up for 15-minute rotations. So when the students are on this slide, this slide will stay up for 15 minutes, and then it will automatically go to the cleanup slide, and this is on for 1 minute. So it has a little chime so you can hear when it's time to change, and then students will get ready for center 2. After 1 minute, it's going to show the round 2. So again, you would have their names in here. You can easily copy and paste from the last one, and then you can go and grab the second rotation for that day, copy and paste into round 2. Again, this one will be up for 15 minutes. I have different options. There's for 3 students, 3 groups, 4 groups, or 5 groups, 3 days, 4 days, 5 days, and then 10 minutes, 15 minutes, and 20 minutes are the options. Or there's some that do not have any time on them at all. And you can just go at your own pace and switch them whenever you need to. So then they would do the same thing for round 3. All right, so then the next day, it's going to look similar. The board here is going to be set up exactly like the one you had from day 1. The only thing that's changing are the groups. The groups are actually doing a rotation kind of like to the right. So, oh, I didn't grab all of them. So here's group 4 now is the first group, and then group 1, 2, 3. So for again, round 1, you'll have their names, and they'll clean up. Round 2, okay, same thing for day 3. So you can just see that the groups are rotating instead. Once you have it set up for the week, when you go to each day, you will go to slideshow, and you can do play from current slide. Okay, so here's this, and then I can just click to this. This part is not timed, so you can just go through the centers. You can discuss whatever you need to discuss with the students before they start. And then this would be your round 1, and this would be the slide that's showing for 15 minutes. And then we have the cleanup slide. This would be 1 minute for 1 minute, and then it would automatically go, and there would be round 2. And then you could save this. You would want to save it, and then it's pretty much ready probably for the following week. If your centers are pretty stable, which mine are, I do switch them up a little bit, but once you have it set the first time, it's really easy then to be able to switch it out when you need to switch it out. So I hope this helps, and if you have any questions at all, you can always email me at jdsrockinreaders at gmail.com. So, thank you.